So today we're in the garden and we're having a good tidy, and it's sad to hear that Subpod, who gave me this composter when I first started my channel, has ceased trading, and all the products have been sold off and is now closing, and that's in Europe and in America. But it's done me really good. This is my composter, and this is what we produced, and this is just from food waste, rabbit waste, leaves and grass, and it's done really well. And I put it all in this bed, provided me with all the bed, so I'm really pleased with that, and it's worked a treat. And it's such a shame that they're no longer trading. Even composted a little duck. So yeah, such a shame. But anyway, it's time to empty out the beds, and I'm going to renew it. But look at that, free, really good. And if we really wanted, we could sieve some of it. And we can have a finer compost. So a bit of a leaf mould. See, we've got some twigs. And look at that. Good old compost. Free. Well, it's a shame about Subpod. It's a good addition, and I'm going to continue using it in the garden. So I've got a new supply of greens, leaves, twigs. I'm going to empty this now, fill it back up and continue using it. So wish everybody from Subpod all the best in their future, and yeah, what a shame. What a shame. Never mind. Look at that. All for free.